Hi students, in this video class I am going to explain you about the exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate. In short we say XOR and XNOR gate. XOR and XNOR gate. First of all, the symbol for XOR gate is this one. For XNOR we can write like this. And the logical gate is, or logical symbol is just like this. Here A and B. So now we have to do the truth table of XNOR gate. A and B, there are two inputs. We have to find out A XOR B. XNOR is the complement of XOR gate. Now before making truth table, you must know the definition of XOR gate. When there are odd number of ones in the input table, then there will be output 1 in the output column. When there are odd number of ones in the input table, then only the output 1. So input table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. This is the output column. Here no one is there, so no odd number of ones are present, so output will be 0. Here in 0 and 1 odd term is there, 1. Number of odd ones are 1. Here also number of odd ones are 1. So both are 2 ones. So even number of ones, output will be 0. So this is the output column of XOR gate. Now how to generate the expression from the XOR gate, from this truth table? Derive the minterms. Now minterms from where? Minterms where the output is 1 in output column. Output is 1 here. And see the inputs in A or B. Right, first of all AB in product form, because you have to generate minterms. And wherever 0, A is 0, so put complement. B is 1, do not complement, do not put complement. 1 0, here B is 0, so put complement on B, but A is 1. So these are the two minterms derived from this truth table. These are inputs. Only for wherever the output is 1, derive the minterms. And write both the minterms together to get the SOP expression for function AB of XOR gate. This is the SOP expression of XOR gate. You can also easily draw the logical circuit for it. How to draw the logical circuit for this expression? See here, we have A and B, two inputs values. A is complement, dot with B, or AND gate apply here with B. So A complement dot B. Here you can also write A complement. So A apply NOT gate, get A complement, this term. B is here and AND gate is there in between, A complement dot B. So first term is here. Same with second term, A and B, but B complement, apply AND gate. So A dot B complement, here it is B complement, applying NOT gate. Now plus is there, OR gate you have to apply in between these two, apply OR gate, A complement dot B plus A dot B complement. In such a way you can draw the logical circuit. Now come to the XNOR gate. In XNOR gate, first of all the definition. when there are even number of ones in the truth table, then in the output column there will be 1. Here the definition was when there are odd number of ones, but here the even number of ones. I am drawing here A, B, two inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the inputs for the truth table. In the output column, here even number of ones we will consider, it is 1 output. Here odd number of ones 0, odd number of ones 0, even number of ones output 1. So, wherever in the input column, if even number of ones are there, output will be 1. Consider it is also even number of no one is there. So, 2 output is there. Now, to get the expression, SOP expression for XNOR gate, derive the min terms. I told you just write A dot B for the inputs for these two ones. See the inputs both are 0. So, put complement on both. Here both are 1. So, it will remain A dot B and write together to get the POS sum of product expression. So, you can write function AB for XNOR gate equal to A complement dot B plus A dot B. This is the expression for XNOR gate. B, remember one thing, both are complement to each other. When you find the complement of one, you will get the another expression. But before it, you can easily draw the logical circuit diagram. Draw logical circuit diagram for this expression A and B. Complement of both, A complement and B complement. Here AB, A dot B. So, here is A dot B and here is A complement dot B complement. First of all, see this one. This is the left first term, this is the right term A dot B. Apply OR gate between these two. Here you can write A dot A complement dot B complement plus A dot B. In such a way you can draw the logical circuit. Now, I told you XOR and XNOR are complement to each other. How can we prove this? Let us continue to prove the complement of XOR is XNOR gate. Here I am writing the expression for XOR gate for two variables A complement dot B plus A dot B complement, and for XNOR expression was A complement dot B complement plus A dot B. These are the expression for XOR and XNOR. Now we have to prove the complement of this must be this one. So take the complement of function AB. You can write A complement dot B plus A dot B complement whole complement. For this expression I have taken the complement. Now apply De Morgan's law. Suppose this is complete X plus this is complete Y. X plus Y whole complement equal to X complement dot Y complement. So here it will be, when you expand it, A complement dot B whole complement plus changes to dot A dot B complement whole complement. Now again apply De Morgan's. A complement, consider it is X and B is Y, X dot Y whole complement should be X complement plus Y complement. So here it should be A double complement plus B complement. Dot same way here, A complement plus B double complement. Now double complement is equivalent to single A plus B complement. Same way here, A complement plus B double complement will be changes to B. Now multiplies, there are two brackets terms are there. A should be multiplied with these two mathematically, and B complement should be multiplied with these two. So A dot A complement plus A dot B. B complement dot A complement, you can write A complement dot B complement plus B complement dot B. Now A dot A complement is 0, A dot B will remain same, A complement dot B complement will remain same, B complement dot B is also 0. So finally A dot B plus A complement dot B complement, which is equivalent to the XNOR gate. So in such a way we can also prove that the complement of XNOR is equivalent to the XOR gate. This is for 2 variables. Same thing you can do with the help of 3 variables. That's all.